General Science, Commission Test. तीसरा वीडियो फॉर प्रिपेयर इजी टेस्ट, MCQS, Human Health और Physical Development, with answers. 1. Health or fitness basics. Health is defined as A. Absence of disease. B. State of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. C. Ability to perform daily tasks. D. Only physical strength. Answer B. State of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. Grooming and cleaning comes under which aspect of health? A. Mental health. B. Physical health. C. Social health. D. Emotional health. Answer B. Physical health. Health-related fitness consists of how many components? A. 4. B. 5. C. 6. D. 7. Answer B. 5. Cardio endurance, muscular strength, endurance, flexibility, body composition. Park MCQs. Cardio exercises. A. Running. B. Brisk walk. C. Squat. D. None of these. Answer A. Running. 2. Physical development. Development proceeds in the direction of the longitudinal axis. Waqf-tam. This principle is called A. Proximodistal. B. Interrelation. C. Cephalocaudal. D. Continuity. Answer C. Cephalocaudal. Which is a characteristic of efficient movement? A. Acquisitive nature. B. Supportive nature. C. Objective nature and coordination. D. Automatic behavior. Answer C. Objective nature and coordination of sensory motor information. Textbook. According to gross motor skills, at what age can a child make A. Running jump of 28 से 3 inch. A. 5 years. B. 4 years. C. 2 years. D. 3 years. Answer A. 5 साल. 3. Body systems or health concepts. Which of the following best describes posture? A. Same for every person. B. Random body position. C. Body segments balanced with least strain. D. Unlimited strain positions. Answer C. Balanced with least strain. The body's ability to maintain equilibrium is called A. Speed. B. Balance. C. Agility. D. Flexibility. Answer B. Balance. How many bones are in the adult human body? A. 206. B. 207. C. 209. D. 210. Answer A. 206. The culture of life basis. MCQS. The culture of life basis. The basic unit of life is A. Tissue. B. Organ. C. Cell. D. Organ system. Answer C. Cell. All living organisms are made up of A. Atoms. B. Molecules. C. Cells. D. Fibers. Answer C. Cells. Script. Which of the following is a unicellular organism? A. Human. B. Frog. C. Amoeba. D. Tree. Answer C. Amoeba. Script. The branch of science that studies living organisms is called A. Chemistry. B. Physics. C. Biology. D. Geology. Answer C. Biology. Script. Which structure controls all activities of the cell? A. Cell wall. B. Cytoplasm. C. Nucleus. D. Vacuole. Answer C. Nucleus. Script. The cell theory was proposed by A. Newton. B. Darwin. C. Schleiden and Schwann. D. Aristotle. Answer C. Schleiden and Schwann. Living things grow because of A. increase in size only. B. Increase in number of cells. C. Change in color. D. Movement. Answer B. Increase in number of cells. Which of the following is not a characteristic of living things? A. Growth. B. Respiration. C. Reproduction. D. Resting. Answer D. Resting. Plants prepare their own food by the process of A. Respiration. B. Transpiration. C. Photosynthesis. D. Digestion. Answer C. Photosynthesis. Energy is essential for life. Processes such as A. Growth and movement. B. Reproduction. C. Repair of cells. D. All of these. Answer D. All of these. Which life process helps organisms to remove waste materials? A. Nutrition. B. Respiration. C. Excretion. D. Growth. Answer C. Excretion. Multicellular organisms are those which have A. One cell. B. Two cells. C. Many cells. D. No cells. Answer C. Many cells. Script. Which of the following shows response to stimuli? A. Stone. B. Water. C. Human. D. Air. Answer C. Human. The movement of substances across the cell membrane is called A. Respiration. B. Diffusion. C. Reproduction. D. Growth. Answer B. Diffusion. Life begins from A. Tissue. B. Organ. C. Cell. D. System. Answer C. Cell. Renewable energy and its sources. Renewable energy is the energy which A. Can be used only once. B. Gets exhausted quickly. C. Can be renewed naturally. D. Is very costly. Answer C. Can be renewed naturally. Which of the following is a renewable source of energy? A. Coal. B. Natural gas. C. Petroleum. D. Solar energy. Answer D. Solar energy. Energy obtained from the sun is called A. Wind energy. B. Heat energy. C. Solar energy. D. Electrical energy. Answer C. Solar energy. Which device is used to convert solar energy into electrical energy? A. Generator. B. Solar panel. C. Turbine. D. Battery. Answer B. Solar panel. Wind energy is produced by A. Flowing water. B. Burning fuels. C. Moving air. D. Sunlight. Answer C. Moving air. Which country is using wind energy on a large scale? A. Pakistan. B. China. C. Saudi Arabia. D. Afghanistan. Answer B. China. Hydroelectric energy is obtained from A. Wind. B. Sun. C. Flowing water. D. Coal. Answer C. Flowing water. Tabela and Mangla dams in Pakistan produce A. Solar energy. B. Wind energy. C. Hydroelectric energy. D. Nuclear energy. Answer C. Hydroelectric energy. Biogas is produced from A. Coal. B. Animal waste. C. Petroleum. D. Uranium. Answer B. Animal waste. Which of the following is not A. Renewable source of energy? A. Wind. B. Solar. C. Coal. D. Water. Answer C. Coal. Renewable energy sources are important because they A. Cause pollution. B. Are unlimited. C. Are expensive. D. Are difficult to use. Answer B. Are unlimited. Which energy source does not cause air pollution? A. Coal. B. Petroleum. C. Solar. D. Gas. Answer C. Solar. Energy from plant and animal waste is called A. Wind energy, B. Nuclear energy, C. Biomass energy, D. Solar energy. Answer C. Biomass energy. Windmills are used to A. Store energy, B. Produce wind, C. Generate electricity, D. Stop air. Answer C. Generate electricity. Renewable energy helps to A. Increase pollution, B. Destroy environment, C. Save natural resources, D. Waste energy. Answer C. Save natural resources. Definition of renewable energy. Examples: solar, wind, water, biomass. Advantages: clean, unlimited, eco-friendly. Pakistan examples: Tabela, Mangla dams. For next videos and informations, subscribe channel.